Crash course on Ireland, geolocation, natural landscapes, outdoor adventures. Welcome to the enchanting land of Ireland, a place of breathtaking natural beauty, and outdoor adventures that will leave you in awe. Let me share some interesting stories to excite your wanderlust before we explore the top 12 attractions of Ireland's stunning landscapes and outdoor activities. Interesting stories and examples. 1. The Cliffs of Moher and the Mermaid's Song. Legend has it that the Cliffs of Moher were once home to a mermaid who sang hauntingly beautiful songs to enchant passing sailors. 2. The Giant's Causeway and the Path of Giants. Irish folklore tells us that the Giant's Causeway was built by the giant Finn MacCool as a pathway to Scotland to confront his rival giant. 3. The magic of the Northern Lights. Although not as commonly seen as in polar regions, the Northern Lights occasionally grace the skies of Donegal and other northern regions of Ireland, offering a magical display of dancing lights. Top 12 attractions in geolocation, natural landscapes, outdoor adventures. 1. Cliffs of Moher, towering sea cliffs offering jaw-dropping views of the Atlantic Ocean and the Aran Islands. 2. Giant's Causeway, a UNESCO World Heritage Site featuring incredible hexagonal basalt columns formed by volcanic activity. 3. Killarney National Park, Ireland's first national park, encompassing lakes, mountains, and woodlands, with hiking and biking trails. 4. The Ring of Kerry, a scenic driving route that showcases the beauty of Ireland's southwest coastline. 5. Connemara National Park, wild and rugged landscapes, perfect for hiking and spotting Connemara ponies. 6. The Burren, a unique limestone landscape dotted with ancient ruins and rare flora. 7. Slieve League Cliffs, some of Europe's highest sea cliffs, offering awe-inspiring views. 8. Donegal's Wild Atlantic Way, a coastal route featuring stunning beaches, cliffs, and charming villages. 9. Glenveigh National Park, remote and beautiful, with a castle surrounded by picturesque gardens. 10. The Donegal Peninsula, a scenic region with stunning coastal views and Gaelic culture. 11. The Aran Islands, a trio of islands off the west coast, known for their rugged beauty and traditional way of life. 12. Cairn, Ireland's highest peak, attracting hikers and climbers seeking a challenging adventure. Summarizing this writing, Ireland's geolocation gifts it with a diverse and stunning natural landscape, from majestic sea cliffs to ancient volcanic formations. Outdoor enthusiasts will find a paradise of hiking trails, scenic drives, and unique experiences that will leave them spellbound. Now, let's celebrate Ireland's natural wonders with a poem. Amidst the Emerald Isle's embrace, a tapestry of nature's grace. The cliffs of Moher, soaring high. A mermaid's song, a wistful sigh. Giant's Causeway, a wonder bold. A pathway paved in tales of old. Killarney's Park, where mountains stand. Reflections dance on lakes so grand. Connemara's wild, untamed land. Where ponies roam, a free-spirited band. Burren's stones, a mystic maze. Ancient whispers, time conveys. Slieve League, where eagles soar. A coastal chorus, waves that roar. Donegal's coast, a wild display. Nature's art in hues of spray. Glenveigh's castle, gardens fair. A tranquil haven, beyond compare. Dingwall's charm, a coastal breeze. Gaelic tales, whispered with ease. Aran Islands, a rugged shore. A timeless beauty to explore. Cairn, proud and poor. An adventurer's daring call. In Ireland's heart, a wondrous sight. A realm of nature's pure delight. Discover the beauty, far and wide. In Ireland's landscapes, dreams reside. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. A=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.